Today we will discuss the question number 2 of exercise number 1.3, which is related to simplification. Whenever we have rational or fractional values with the plus and minus sign, we always take the LCM method, common LCM method. Let's see, the question is 3 over 4 plus minus 2 over 5 plus minus 7 over 20. So the first step is to write the equality sign and then write your fraction values or rational values and open this sign. We will revise our formula table: plus minus minus, minus minus plus. If we have a unlike signs, so answer is negative. If we have a like sign, answer in positive. But we know the rule: when we will multiply the sign will change. So plus minus minus, it will become 2 over 5. Then we have plus minus minus 7 over 20. Now we know very well the rule is, if we have a fractional values with the plus and minus sign, we always take a common LCM. So we will take the common LCM in the rough work. 2 times 2, 4, 5 is not possible. 2, 10 times 20. Always start with the smallest number and then go with the next number. 2, 1 times 2, 5 is not possible, and 2, 5 times 10, and we have 5, 1 times 5, 5, 1 times 5, and 5, 1 times 5. So the LCM will be 2 times 2, 4, 4 times 20. Now we will make the denominator LCM same, total part same, because if we have 4, so 4 times which number? 5. So 4, 5 times 20. It's a rule, multiply in the numerator. Then we have minus 2, 5 multiplied by 4, multiply in the numerator. Then we have 20, 21 times 20, so multiply in the numerator. 15 over 20, then we have minus 2, 4 times 8 over 20, then we have 7 over 20. You can see 20, all the denominators are same, so we will take a common LCM. 15 minus 8 minus 7. Whenever we have a more than 2 value, we always take first 2 values and then we will compare for the next one. Single value sign is positive, so plus minus minus, 15 minus 8, 7. Sign of bigger value, then we have minus 7 over 20. You know very well, plus minus minus, 7 minus 7, 0, and 20, 0, neither be positive nor be negative. It's a rule, and you know very well, if we have a 0 in the numerator, answer is always 0. But if we have a 0 in the denominator, division is not possible with 0. So the answer is 0. If we have a question like this, minus 3 and we have minus 4 over 5. So we need to understand the LCM of a single value is 1, and we will multiply the sign. When we will multiply the sign will change. So minus minus plus. So 4 over 5. Now it's very simple. LCM is 5. Then we have to write it minus 1 multiplied by 5 is 5, so multiply in the numerator. Then we have 5 multiplied by 1 multiplied by in the numerator. So we have minus 15 over 5 and we have 4 over 5. Now the denominator same, total part same, so we can write minus 15 plus 4. Plus minus minus, when we are add or subtract, we will apply the operation but put the sign of bigger value with the answer. So minus plus minus, we will do minus 15 minus 4, it will be 11, but sign of bigger value. In multiplication, minus minus plus, sign will change, but when we add and subtract, sign, we will put the sign of bigger value with the answer. So 15 plus minus minus, 15 minus 4, 11, but sign of bigger value, and bigger value is 15. Then we will put write down the denominator. And if the next method is simplification or the mixed form. If the numerator bigger, the condition is for the mixed form, if the numerator is bigger, then you can find the mixed form, and the rule of the mixed form is quotient, remainder, divisor. So we can find it because numerator is bigger. 5 2 times 10 minus 1. So we can write it whole number. Quotient is a whole number. 1 over 5, which is the fractional part or a decimal part of your value. So this is called a mixed form, whole number and a fractional portion. Fractional portion is also called decimal portion. We have done this topic in the exercise number 1.2. So I hope you understand this topic. Next topic we have question number 3, which is related to subtract. Subtract minus 3 over 4 from minus 5 over 3. So in algebra and in mathematics, if we have a value is from, so the clue is always write the from value first. It's a clue, always write the from value first in subtraction and in algebra. So we will write minus 5 over 3 and our second value is minus 3 over 4. But what is the question, what is the operation we have to apply? The operation is subtraction, so we will write minus, but it is impossible to solve one sign at the same time, so for separation of the sign we will put a bracket. Now we can write it as minus 5 over 3, then minus minus plus, sign will multiply, sign will change, so 3 over 4. Now you will take a LCM, and we know very well LCM of 3 and 4 is a 12. Then minus 5, 3 multiply by 4, then multiply in the numerator, plus 3, 4 multiply by 3, multiply in the numerator, then we have 5 4 times 20 over 12 plus 9 over 12. Now take a common LCM, and minus 20 plus 9, when we add and subtract, plus minus minus, 20 minus 9 is 11, but sign of bigger value. So there is a little bit difference between the subtraction and the simplification. Subtractive, we have to write from value first, and we need to see the sign between. If we have add, put it add. If we have subtract, so we will put the sign of subtraction. Let's see another question is, maybe we have a question is minus 7 over 8 from minus 2. So always write the from value first, so I will write minus 2, and single value sign LCM is 1, and then second value is minus 7 over 8, but the operation is subtract, so I will put a bracket for separation, for the separation. Minus 2 over 1, minus minus plus 7 over 8. Now the LCM is equals to 8. Now we can write it minus 2, 1 multiply by 8, so multiply in the numerator, then 8 multiply by 1, multiply in the numerator. Now we have 8 times 16 over 8 plus 7 over 8. Then we will take a common LCM, minus 16 plus 7. Then we need to understand plus minus minus. We need to do the subtraction. So 16 minus 7. We will do the 16 minus 7. It will be so 16 minus 7, it will be 9, and we have to write the denominator but sign of bigger value. So these are the subtraction with the rational values and simplification of the rational values. I hope you understand. Thank you.